welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the cool animals. This video is very interesting. Please full watch this video and subscribe my channel. First we paint the red panda. Black color. Skin color. Orange color. Our red panda is ready with beautiful color. Now we paint the rabbit with beautiful colors. Pink color.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Red color.
The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog.
Gray color.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o.
Our cute rabbit is ready with beautiful colors. Now we paint the cute penguin.
Takes the cheese.
Yellow color.
Takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Blue color.
the cheese stands alone.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two.
Gray color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Our cute penguin with beautiful color are ready. Now we paint the squirrel crying.
Hickory dock,
Red color.
dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
dark yellow color,
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
brown color,
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
our cute squirrel is ready. Now we paint the cute cat pink color, orange color, yellow color, looks very nice. Kids, please subscribe my channel. Light blue color, our cute cat is ready. Now we paint the sea otter red color, orange color,
All around the mulberry bush,
light purple color,
chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
light green color, yellow color,
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
purple color, light purple color, Wow, kids, our beautiful cool animals are ready. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.